Hi, in this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to add special characters or letters with accent marks to your documents and presentations, both in Microsoft and Google products. Let's start with Microsoft Word. So I'm writing this sentence and I'd like to add an E with an accent mark over it. So first thing I'm going to do is go to the Insert tab. I'm going to scroll over to the symbol icon here, click there. Here you'll see several special characters or letters with accents because I've used these recently, but if you've never done this before, you should click More Symbols. And you can scroll down until you find the special character or accent mark that you need, or if you know where it is, you can click here in the subset to which part of this list it is in. But for now, let's just scroll down. So I'm going to select the E like this, click Insert, and close. The next time that I want to use that letter, if I click on symbol again, it will appear here in my recently used symbols. In Microsoft PowerPoint, it's very similar. You're going to click on the Insert tab, go over to Symbols, click Symbol, and you would do the same thing by scrolling through the list. And once you've done that before, they'll appear here in recently used symbols. Click Insert and close. In Google products, it's very similar. In Google Docs, you'll go to the Insert menu, click Special Characters this time instead of Symbols. If we scroll down here, you will not find that E I'm looking for, so we'll need to change symbol to Latin. And if we scroll down now, we can find it right here. Another way to do it is to type the letter into the search bar here, and it will populate a list of accent marks or special characters involving that letter. So we can see it's here. Okay, so we'll close this. And in Google Slides, it's very similar. Highlight my text box, click Insert, Special Characters, change symbol to Latin. Let's just type it in the bar here. And there it is. And that's it.